Okay, today I am going to tell you how to use WordPress. So, we will log into our website through website domain /wp-login.php. So, I am entering in my website, and furthermore, we will talk about how to use uh, WordPress effectively. So, here is my login and password, and click the login. So after logging in, we will be on our dashboard, and here are some of the notifications which we can cancel it here, and like this, cancel them. This is easy. And after that, we will see the dashboard. You can quickly go to these, like write your first blog, add an about us page, which we already did, set up your home page. Therefore these actions are not required now, because we have done everything. And if we go below the site dashboard, we will see site health status, which is good, and quickly draft our posts. If we got an idea about the post, we can quickly draft here, and uh, quickly draft here. After that, there is an activity. We published some post few days back, which are showing here. After that, WordPress events and news are being showed here, and some other things. You can also customize your dashboard according to your needs, like this. Drag boxes here, you can drag and drop, and your dashboard will be customized according to your way. So we will move further to see our first section, which is site kit. But for now I am not using it. I will tell you about this in the end of the video, because this is a plugin about Google, and we will talk about this in detail in the end. We have first sections of posts, and then if you hover over it, you will see that there are other sections like all posts, add new post, categories, tags. So I'm going to see all posts, and the posts I have made previously, uh, that will be shown here. So we can see that all the posts are 26, published are 26, and trashed 6 posts. And we can apply some bulk actions, like if we select all these posts and move to trash all these posts at once. And we can also select the date from here, and categories if we want. If I want to see the posts in how to category, so I will filter that, and let's see which posts are being showed in, we have applied in our how to section. So these are some posts which have been made in how to category section. Okay, now here is the button from where we can add another post, and we can also do this by clicking on this add new section. For now I am going to click on this, and let me remove the filter first. So you can see we have all 26 posts here, and we can quickly go to the, if you hover on it, you can quickly edit it, quick edit, trash, and view. If we view this post, you can see that. Okay, if you hover over any of these posts, you can see that you can edit, quick edit, trash, and view this post. And if I click on the view, you can see that I have opened this post as well, and this post as well. And if I edit this, we will be editing that. But before editing, I must tell you that how to add new post. So when I click on the add new button, yes, this will show me some of the processes like welcome to the blog editor and everything else. You can skip that, or you can see the tutorials uh, as discussed in this post. So I am closing it for now, and here you can see that you can add title, and I will show you how to make a post. So I am writing it the title, test post. Now you can see that this is the heading of the um, our post, and here you can choose a blog like if you press the add button, plus button here, you can add the paragraph, heading, list, code, classic, and everything else you can see from here. But by default, it will be used as a paragraph, like this. I am tapping is this is my test post, and this will be a paragraph here. And if I press the enter button, it will make another paragraph like this. And if we will go to the right sidebar, you can see that this is the block where we can add the font size like this. If I do it to medium, then you can see that this block will be edited and it will be shown as medium. And now I'm showing you how to edit the font size like this. You can do it like large, and this will be by default normal size, and this will be the medium size, and this will be the large size. And you can make it custom, like if you want to 30, you can also give the 30 pixel font, and everything else you want. And you can also change the color from this side. Text color, this will be the text color. By default it is something like gray, and if I want to give a pink color to it, it will be pink, and red, and anything which I will choose. And you can also give the background color here, and it will be like this. But as you know, uh, like this background color of the block. Yes, this will be the background color of the block, but I am doing it as white for now, and uh, as before. The text setting is here, and you can also set the text color like drop cap. If you toggle it, the first letter will be big, and the other letters and words will be like this, as we read in newspaper. So I am disabling it for now. And if we go to the post section of this, we will see that what kind of status and visibility it is. It will be a public post, and it will be published immediately. Post format, if we want this post to be sticky and to remain on top of every post, we will click it, and this will happen. Pending review, and we can set here the permalink, and we can choose categories from here. You can see that this is a test post, and I want to, for example, I want to set it in cryptocurrency category. Then I will check it. And also if I want to um, put it in stocks, then I will check the stocks category as well. You can also add the new category here. It's all about your wish how you want to put this post. And in the tags section, tags could be very effective in SEO. We can give multiple tags like test and test post. Um After each keyword, you have to give the comma. If you will give comma after each tag, it will be a tag, and the tag will be uh, will help in SEO of the post. So these are the tags. In featured image, we can set any image. We can set from our uploaded media library already, or we can upload a new website, new sorry, a new image from our computer or laptop. So for now, I am giving it this, assigning it this. You can also add the text, title, caption, description, and everything of the post of the mm, picture, and set it as featured image. So featured image means it will be shown on your mm, home page, or the image for the post. And these are some extras. If you want to write excerpt, it is optional. And if you want to enable allow commenting, and or if you don't want to allow comments, you can uncheck this box. So this is it for now. And after making the complete post, you can also set the layout for this. If you want the to cover the full page of the blog, and you don't want to set the sidebars, you can set this layout for the post. For now, I'm doing this default layout for the post. And yeah, everything is set, and we can publish our post by clicking this post the publish button. Okay, now it will show you that visibility is public and publish will be immediately. Or we can set our time, on which time and schedule the post should be uh, made public. So I'm doing it immediately and publishing it. So our post has been made, and we can view our post from here. And if we can see, we see that our post has been made as this picture was our featured picture, and our title was test post. And this is test post, this is second paragraph, and this is the third paragraph. As we made our post, it has been published. Similarly, in our cryptocurrency and stocks category, as we checked both of these, and this has been published publicly. And now everyone can access our this post from this URL. So this was the how we make a new post. Okay, now we will see how to delete a post, or something like this. We can click this WordPress icon to move to our dashboard. So we have made this test post, but we want to delete it for now. So you will check it, the post, and move to trash and apply. That's it. You will be deleting the post immediately. So this was how the posts work, and how we can add new posts and everything. And you can go to add new section, and this will be very similar to what I showed before you. You can directly go to the post and add new post, like from this button, or you can directly go to add new. And in the categories section, you can see that all the previous categories has been set here. And you can name new category here, test category. And you can leave it empty, the slug, it will automatically make it. And if you want a parent category, you can select from the parent category, otherwise none is better. You can also give the description if you want, and add new category. Now you will see that in this section the test category has been added, and now you can also post in the test category. Test was just the example. You can name it whatever you want. I am deleting it, and yes, it has been removed from the categories section. Now we can see the tags. I just used the tags like test post etc. You can preset all the tags here if you want, according to your blog, but you can also add from the post section as well. So I'm leaving it, I'm just deleting these tags for now, and you can also add after some time. Now, if we go to the media section of WordPress blog, we can see that all the uploaded images and videos will be shown here. Okay, you can add a new like this select file or drag and drop. You can also drag and drop the files in this section, and these will be added here, and afterwards you can add these images or media in your post when you post it. Otherwise, you can also directly upload pictures or videos when you will be making your next post. In the pages section, pages are almost similar as posts, but posts are different and pages are different. Pages are static, however, posts are the content we post after every week or twice or thrice in a week. So these are static pages. You can see that about us page, I have made about us page, contact page, layout, you can, that was pre-built with this theme, and privacy policy page, sample page was already made by the theme, and terms and condition. I have made terms and condition, privacy policy, contact us, about us page, because these are mandatory for mm, AdSense approval. If you want to add a new page just like post, you can add from here or you can add from this new page, and it will be almost will be similar like post, but as I told you previously that it will be a static page, and you can add in your footer or in your header as if you want them to show you to your visitors. Now come to the comments section. No comments have been made on our blog. If some comments will come on our blog, these will be shown here, and WordPress will automatically categorize it in spam, and you can trash them, and you can see your own comments in mine section and pending section for the new comments, so you can approve all the comments from in this section. Now the contact us page section, you can make a new contact form and give the source code in any of the new page. So I can tell you that if you want to make a new form, you can add new form, and you can give a title like your question. So these are some codings like your name, your email, and subject and your message. So you can make this, and if you want to make a drop down menu, the text area, the date, the number, you can always put it in between the submit buttons. So if I want an email, I can take this and insert the tag. So email section will also be shown. So I'm removing it for now, and we can see that we already have a contact us form, and we can just we have made our contact form, and that's enough. And this is plugin which shows that site is under construction, which I used when I was making this website, and for now we don't want to use this plugin, and I will remove it after this tutorial. In the appearance section, you can see that we have themes. We can customize our theme. We can use our widgets. Widgets are which will be shown in the sidebar or something like this. And menus, we can make new menus, headers, backgrounds, and color mag option. The theme which I used for this website. So first of all, we can check that what are the themes. If we go to the themes section, we will see that we have multiple choices to choose from the our theme section. You can see that we can add new. For now, we have been using this color mag theme, and we can also use this Genesis theme. This is also very good, and 2019, which is the default theme for WordPress, and 2020, and we can add more. If we click on these this add new button, we can also choose from different themes. You can see it here, but customizing it will be a difficult task. If you are new, I suggest you not to use new theme. I will make another tutorial in which I will tell you how to customize your theme, and everything else about the themes. So if we go back, we have this color mag theme, and if you press this customize or this customize, it will be the same. And if I can get you to the customize section, you can see that we have a lot of options to work on this theme and change it by our requirements. You can see that this is the when I click on this pencil section, it will show me that this is my logo, because this was all was the logo section, or you can say the header section. Here I can change the logo, remove it. Site icon, I can give a site icon, website title, site tagline, and the visibility of the logo. So I'm not doing it right now, but you understood how this works. And if I click on this menu section, you can see there are three options: this one, this pencil, and this pencil. If I click on this pencil, you can see that enable the home section. If I uncheck this, you can see that this section will be removed. You can see that the home button have been removed from the website, but I am enabling it because it's important on the home page. And similarly, if you want to remove the search icon, this one, if you want to remove, you just have to uncheck this, and the search option will be removed from the website. And I am enabling it because it's important to for your visitors to search in your blog. And similarly, all the things like this, you can always edit them. You can go to the global set colors, primary colors, the skin color, category color, everything. You can set everything, but I am leaving it for your choice. If you like this, that's okay. If not, you can change it according to your way. And on the front page, you can see that check to hide blog post static page on the front. And now for now it's showing all the posts on the home page. But if you want static page like about us, privacy policy, and anything which is made on a static page, you have to uncheck this. But that's not important, because we have made our blog, and we will be showing all our posts on our home page. That's fine. From the header section, we can change a site identity, header media, top bar. We can enable the top bar. You can see here it will show the uh, our top bar which have been disabled. Look at this. This has been enabled, but if you want to hide, you have to disable it. And breaking news tab and everything, you will see that our this The latest posts have been enabled as breaking news on our website, but I am disabling it because these are not important. If you want, you can enable it always. After this, the primary header. This is the primary header. You can change it according to your way. The style. You can always change the style like this or like this. You have three options. You can see that this is another style of the header. You can also change to this one, the white one. You can see this have been made white, and our logo have been centered out. So for now I am leaving it. So for now we are leaving it as it is, and we can move to our next section, which is primary menu. And as I showed you previously, that we can enable disable everything on our menu. And after that, this will be sticky. And sticky menu means that if someone scrolls down, the menu will move along the scrolling, and this will be our sticky menu. And if we disable it, you can see that if we disable it, the main menu will not move along our scrolling. You can see now the menu have not been shown. So I am enabling it because it's good to have sticky menu, and it will make easiness for our visitors. Now moving to the content part. Yes, single post content, featured image disable. If you want to disable it, you can disable it, and all the other options you can see from here. And I have set it as per my preferences. And you can also featured image enable disable from the menu. And in the footer section, we can see the journal, the styles. You can see this is our footer menu, and there are two types of styles. You can choose from whichever you like is good for your preferences. You can choose that. Okay, now additional is something like social icons. If you want to enable it, these will be enabled, and you have to give your Facebook, Twitter, and every link you want. And I suggest you to add your Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, all the links here, so your visitors can check them, and it will definitely help you in SEO. So for now I am disabling it. After you make all the icons, you can enable it. After you make all the pages, you can enable it. In the menus section, we can create our menus from this and from our dashboard as well. I will show you how to make the menus from our dashboard. So for now I am leaving it. And in the widgets section, you can see that we have all these widgets in the right sidebar, the header sidebar, the front page slider, and everything. You can also check them if you want, and change them according to your way. In the homepage settings, as I told you previously, that I want to set our latest posts in our blog. But if you want an static page, you can do that. And and you can choose from here that which page you want to show on your home page. So this is not the important, as this is our blog, and we want all our posts to show on these on our home page. So that's why I am clicking on the your latest post on this section. Yeah, this is some additional CSS we can choose from. If you know CSS and want to change some styles and the layout of the website, you can also do that from this section, and entering it here as per your needs. Um, but I think this looks very cool and beautiful, and it has everything which we need, and we will leave it as it is. So press this, if you publish it, it will after making changes you should have to publish it to take effects what you have changed in your website. So for now I am closing it and moving to our dashboard. So yeah, we started from here, customizing it and the widgets, menus, and everything. And if you go to the menus section, we will make all our menus here. As you see that um, from our website, that yes, I have made all the menus. Uh, Okay, here we go. So you can see this this menu, our primary menu. So all these things appear here, and if you want to add any category, you can just click it and add to menu. You can see that business and credit have been added to this menu, and we can and drop and drag and drop our menu, our categories in the menu section, and it will be shown after saving the menu. Now you can see that another um, business and credit two business and credit categories have been added to our menu like this. So this was just a just a test that if it works. Now again I am saving it. You can add all the pages, posts, or categories from here. And as you see that these are pages, I want to add about us page on this menu, so I will check it and add to menu. So here you can see that this has been added here, and I will pick it and drag it above the contact us page and save the menu, um, and it will be shown in our website. You can see here that about us will be added here, about us have been added here. Look at this, and business and the second business and credit have been removed. So you can add any of the page, the post in the menu easily from this section of the menus. And if you go to header, you can see that we have already customized it, and I told you how to customize your header. And if you want to add the video, you can add it here, and everything else we need from the header section. After that, we have backgrounds, color mag options. If we go to the color mag options, which is our theme, we can learn everything here in the color mag section. And we can, if you know the coding of WordPress, you can edit your theme from the coding section from this section of the dashboard. And if we want to add any of the plugins, like this contact form 7 I showed you here in the contact form, you can add it from this section. As XML sitemaps, I use this plugin to create sitemap for the website and submitting it to Google. I did that with the help of plugin. You can always search any uh, plugin from add new. You can do add new, and you can install any of the plugin from this section. If you go to and search for the any of the plugin, like I will search for the word fence. Let's see if it comes in the search result. You can see that this is the plugin, but this is not what we want. uh, and you can just install it now. SEO Yoast, you can install it now, and it will be shown on your dashboard or in the plugins section. So yeah, this is all about plugins. You can check Google and WordPress which plugins are important for you, and you can always install them easily by clicking add new on the plugins section and search it here. So yeah, here are the user section where you can, and this is my user. When somebody register on your website, it will be shown here as a user or administrator, or you can also add another user as your admin or anyone else by adding new from this button. And you can give the username, you can give the email, his or her email, first name, last name, and everything you want. You can add new user from this section. In the tool section, we have something about the like categories converter etc. If you have the data, you can import it. If you want to export your data, you can export it. You can also check your site health and everything else from this tools section. If we go to the setting, this setting will be used for the WordPress. So you can see that if you want to change the site title, you can change it here. If you want to change the tagline, it will be changed from this section. The WordPress address, site address, email address, you can change it from this section. Anyone can register. I have not made this section allowed to users to register on this website, but you can also oh, allow users to register on your website. So these are, yes, these are some other options you can opt for your website. After making all the changes, you should have to save changes. In the writing section, we can see that our default post is uncategorized. You can also set your default post category like this or anything you want. Uh, and post default post format will be in the gallery or quotation or a status or video or something like this. But standard post format is necessary, and it is good as default post will be the standard post. It has to be. The mail server will be this. If you have your own SMTP mail server and you want to something like admin at the rate of selfmadesns.com, you can always give it here and set up this SMTP. So any mail from this website will be from admin at the rate of selfmadesns.com. So yeah, this was it from the writing section. If we go to the reading section, uh, as previously told that our home page will show our latest or not the static page. If we do it as I showed you previously, you can also set it anything from this. But your latest post is the good format for our blog. Blog pages, how much post our single blog page should show, like category. If we have stocks category, how much posts it will show on our page. By default it has been set to 10, but you can also change it always. And for each post in the feed include full text or the excerpt. You can limit it by doing the excerpt. And yes, you can also search engine visibility. You can discourage search engines from indexing, but I highly recommend you not to check this, because otherwise your blog will not be indexed in Google. So go you will not be accepted in Google AdSense or any ads network. Therefore, you should not have to discourage the search engines from indexing your website. This is very important. You should not have to check this box. In the discussion section, we can see that we have a lot of settings in here, and you can read them all and set up by your preferences. In the media settings, you can see that the media thumbnail size will be this, and you can also change all the sizes from this section. In the permalinks, it will show you how your URL will work. For now, I have enabled post name, so this is how our URL will be made, and this is very important. I have made this because Google loves the website name, and after that the post name. Google love it and indexes it most fast from other formats of the URL. So I have made this, and you should not change all these. And if you want to change, you can save this and more. In the privacy section, you can see that you can also um, use your privacy settings and use the page whatever you have made for your privacy. XML sitemaps, and this is the plugin I installed here, and I have done all the things which were required to index our website. So no, you should not change anything of these. In the SSL this section, I have already installed the SSL. You can see that a lock icon have been shown on our website, and this is the SSL certificate, and it is HTTPS, which is very important for the encryption and SSL. Tasks have been complete. You can ignore these four tasks, and because these are not that much important. The important ones I have made, and website is showing the log pad, which is important for Google AdSense approval. And this is the SEO Yoast, which we have posted, installed the plugin very recently, and I will not go in details for this plugin. You can always check this by yourself. For now, we can go to this site kit, this Google suite kit. I have installed the plugin, so I can show you how this works. So this plugin is given by Google AdSense or Google itself for four actions on it: Google Search Console, Google AdSense, and a few others. You can see that we have one impression from Google Search Console because our site is very new, and I have manually indexed all our post pages, which will be indexed in a few days in the Google. After our all pages are indexed in Google, we can easily uh, apply for Google AdSense. So this kit is very important, and you should always keep uh, seeing it and using it for Google Search Console and Google AdSense. You can see in the settings that our search console and page speed have been connected with this, um, and you can also apply for Google AdSense from this um, plugin once our website have been indexed in Google Search Console. So yeah, that's it. That was our mm, uh, whole tutorial for how to use the WordPress blog, and I think I have made good detailed video on this. Hope this will help. So yeah, this is our website, and hopefully you will make this website progress more and apply for Google AdSense very soon. Thanks for watching this. Bye bye.